Hey guys, Paula here. Want to talk to you really quick about these very awesome cacti gloves. So these are specifically designed for any type of thorny plants that you work with. So let's say you work with bougainvilleas, rose bushes, or even cacti. These are perfect. If you'll notice, the glove itself has extremely few seams. And so, well, I mean, they got seams, but they're really little. So I have worked with propagating cacti for probably 2 good seasons in these gloves, and I've never had any thorns go through them. So these things are awesome. I love that they are actually very tall, so they come all the way past my elbow. These are a size medium, and I just want to show you that when you go ahead and you actually pull this string right here, the little red ball, it'll actually tighten around your arm. So I just want to show you one on so you can see kind of what that looks like. So you don't have to worry about working with those rose bushes anymore, or bougainvilleas. You can actually go ahead and do so. Just make sure that you get you a good pair of these, because these are fantastic. Anyways, you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.